You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. The name of this brewery, given as marketingly at least the oldest American brewery, pronounced in the US as Yuengling is how you say it. If you want to learn more brand names, especially beer names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Yuengling. Yes, it comes from German originally, from the German word for youngling. In German it's pronounced Yuengling, but in English in the US everybody says it, and the brewery itself, the brand itself, says it as Yuengling. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.